There's only one story that begins in a garden and ends in a city, and that story has got more than 300 contrasts between the beginning and the end. This is a fantastic story that I love to tell, and it is the redemption story. But today I don't want to tell that story. I want to give a gift that comes from that story. And this gift is a book that compiles all the 100 of the 300 contrasts between the beginning and the end of the Bible. Every Bible scholar, every child of God will love to grab a hold of this book. It's a free gift and there is no catch. You just go, read and share with a friend or two. It is in your bid to develop your knowledge and understanding of the Word of God. And tell the Lord, like me, open mine eyes, O Lord, that I may behold wondrous things out of thy law. God bless you. Click the link below and grab it for free.